guys, I'm Judy from EagerLED. Alright, why the most outdoor advertising screen is LED screen? Okay, the reason is that the environmental adaptability of LED display is stronger, waterproof, moisture-proof, and dust-proof. Heat dissipation, yes, and the brightness can be automatically adjusted according to environmental brightness, okay, to meet the visual requirements of the human eyes. It's common on outside of the shopping malls, so when selecting LED display, we can choose the corresponding pointer spacing products according to the budget and the viewing distance, and choose appropriate installation and maintenance method according to the installation position. So do you get it?